Hello, this is Robert Van Cleave with an audition supplement for screen capture on NoSQL data modeling. Today we're going to create a JSON message based on the mind map we created with the Customer 360 view. First we'll close or minimize our PowerPoint, and you'll see on the right side of the screen is the Customer 360 mind map that we created. We're going to convert that from a mind map into a JSON document using a JSON editor. Now this is just a JSON editor that I downloaded from the Apple Store, so any will work. We're going to start by creating the customer node. So instead of creating the customer as the root, we're going to put the customer in as a node underneath the root. Then we're going to make that an object, and then we're going to add to that object the IDs you see. So we have a customer ID, which is going to be a string. We have the name, also a string, and then we have the email. Now we're going to add the address. Now I created this node accidentally, so all we have to do is double click to rename it. We call it address. We make it an object. And then we add the elements to that, which is going to be street, city, state, and zip. Now this is a simple address. Obviously there are some subtleties you might add if this was a real address that you needed to send mail to. We're going to add a new item. This is going to be the phone number. So we need to shift that row to the left, change the name to phone, then make it an object and add the area code, number, and then we're going to add another new object. And this is going to be the order object. And it's actually going to be an array. Now, the arrays we can't actually name, so we just have the array. First item is going to be the element within the array. So we make that the order number. We add the order date. We're going to put in the ship date. And then I'm going to skip to the line item because I want to show how to put an array within an array. So we just simply add that as an array. We make this the first item in that an object, and then we start adding the line number, the product ID, and so forth. And I'm going to stop there just in the interest of time. Pull this in to see the whole thing. Now within this editor, you can look at the raw JSON. And you see that we have the customer with the name and email. We have the address, phone, order with the order elements, including the line items and the line, which contains the line number, product ID, etc. So that's how you create a JSON document based on the mind map we created for the Customer 360.